Manipur lengang sinduna ngasi Nupi Lal ningsing numit ki thouram pangthokhare nitaba chuthikte leibar Nupi Lal complex sa pangthokpa thouram atu da bar ki President Draupadi Murmu Manipur ki Governor Ajay Kumar Bala former Chief Minister N Biren yauna masak na ba mi kya na saruk ya ke President Draupadi Murmu na Nupi Lal complex sa leibar Nupi Lal gi mutam da lei katuna ikai khumda basu utke Numit nini ki khongchata Imphal da lakhiba Bharat ki President Draupadi Murmu na ngasi Sri Govindaji Temple da chatuna khurumkhre khongchit adu da Sri Govindaji Temple board ke maikai da gi Radha Krishna ge project amusu khudol tamke Senapati Miyam na ngasi Bharat ki President Draupadi Murmu bu taram na opkhre District Administration Senapati na sinduna District Headquarter da pangthokpa taram na opagi thoram aduda Manipur ki Governor Ajay Kumar Bala su sarukya ke thoram aduda District Administration ki makok thongba official sing civil amadi police ki makok thongba official sing amadi miyoi kaya na sarukya ke
I also interacted with the internally displaced persons. The Moram tribe is recognized as a particularly vulnerable tribal group. It is the only PBTG in Manipur. The unique culture and traditions of Moram tribe contribute significantly to India's tribal diversity.
With a population of nearly 5 lakh people, the district reflects resilience, harmony and strong community bonds. At this time of the year, the delicate bloom of cherry blossom trees across the hills